Kisimu chako kimeanguka. Kisimu chako kimeanguka. Yes, welcome guys again to Halent VTube. We're back again. Yes, let's add some light over here. Yes, we are back again on Halent VTube. I hope guys we won't go again missing. I've been away for a while, but thanks Lord we're back again. Yes, with the new force. Stay with me until the end of the videos. I'm going to upload every week different videos that will have different components, so make sure you stick around until you watch the entire video. We are going to do African videos every day when we cook, okay? I'm gonna upload here on Halent VTube, so make sure you stay with us. Make sure you watch all videos that we will uploading from now until the day that we don't know. Yes. As you can see, I've moved in a new house which has a lot of space for these things. It's not like the other house, right? Alright guys, let's see. Until the new video is coming soon. Alright?